Who doesn't dream of living in an inviting, upscale living destination in an urban-centric hotspot? Introducing the Pacific and Malibu in Tucson, a premium name in luxury student housing. Rising above the vibrant landscape of Tucson, this property offers a diverse range of luxury studio, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5-bedroom apartments. Each bedroom is a haven of comfort, offering a spacious layout and fresh furniture, including plush beds and ample storage space. At the Pacific and Malibu, everything you need to balance academic goals with living out loud is footsteps from your bedroom door. Whether you're starting the day off with a jog at the fitness center or unwinding after class in the vibrant residence lounge, the property guarantees that your life journey starts on the right foot. With quick access to the University of Arizona, the Pacific and Malibu's prime location is also minutes away from daily necessities, tasty dining, vibrant entertainment venues, and plenty of outdoor recreation. Craving a scrumptious meal? Starbucks and Chapala Mexican Grill are a stone's throw away. And with the SL 2nd Street Olive Ave light rail station just around the corner, commuting will be a breeze. So are you ready to reside in utmost style at the epitome of elegant student living? Head over at amberstudent.com and secure your piece of the Arizona dream at Pacific and Malibu.